Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Bangladesh Independence Day tutorial, and this is just in honor of Bangladesh declaring their independence on March 26, 1971. They were the only country to fight for their language, so I just want to honor Bangladesh, and I created this green smoky eye to celebrate the holiday. So I'm starting off with my NYX color corrector and applying this green color corrector to any red spots or dark spots that I had. Next, I'm taking my two foundations and mixing them. I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the shade Y235 and my Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour foundation in the shade 2.1, and using a beauty blender on my face to blend that all out together. Then I'm going back into the color corrector and using this peach color under my dark circles so that it evens it out. Next, I'm using two concealers. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 Sand and putting it on my inner corners where it's darker. And then I'm using the ColourPop concealer in the shade Light 20 and putting it in a triangular shape under my eyes as well as along my nose. And then I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend this all out and then also blend out my nose. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Better Skin Pressed Powder and then just use that to set my face. I'm going in to my Jaclyn Hill palette and using this nice warm brown color into my crease. I'm just going to use a fluffy blending brush to put this all over my crease. Then I'm going to deepen up the crease with this darker cool toned brown color, again using the same blending brush. I'm going to take a big fluffier brush and blend this all out together so it looks seamless. I'm going in with this dark green color and a smaller tapered brush, and I'm using this for my outer V shape. And I'm just going to go along my lash line and the outer V shape and then blend this all out with the big blending brush as well, so all the colors blend together. And these are just going to be the transition shades. So next, I'm using my concealer from ColourPop and carving out a crease. So I'm highlighting the inner third of my eye with the concealer. And this will just help the neck shadows pop. So then I'm going to go into my Anastasia Prism palette and use the color Unite on my lid on top of the concealer that I just put on. I'm going to go into my Too Faced Best Year Ever palette and start with the green. I'm going to use this shimmery green color called Trimmed, and using a brush I'm going to put this all over my eye. I'm also going to use my finger to pack it on and blend it out as well, just to intensify the color. I'm going to go back into my Anastasia palette and use the color Throne, and using a brush just pack it on top of that trimmed color. And this will just deepen up the green color and intensify the smokiness of the green color. I'm going to go ahead and blend this all out with a blending brush. The next part actually got cut off. I didn't realize the camera stopped recording, but I took the color Lucky Penny and put it in my inner corners just to add some shine to the inner corner. Next, I'm using my e.l.f. liquid liner and just drawing a huge long wing because we gotta be dramatic with this look. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes and apply the Maybelline mascara onto my eyelashes. I'm gonna go in with the Amrezy highlight and just highlight above my cheekbones and my nose. Lastly, I'm going to take this Too Faced matte lipstick in the color Sellout and put it on my lips. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you did. And thank you guys so much for watching. And happy Bengali Independence Day to everyone that's celebrating.